In today's video, we're going to be going over the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. We're going to go through the setup process and look at the overall design and see how well these work with our devices. Should be very fun to set up. These retail for $124.99 and come in 3 colors. We got the graphite color here. They also have a white and a purple color. So let's go ahead and get these unboxed and check it out. So we can open up the box just like this. And inside, we got the Samsung right there and the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro right here. So these buds are Samsung's highest end quality earbuds. We can go ahead and remove the wrapper. We can slide it out. And we've got the case here. It says Samsung on the front, and then on the back it's got the charging port for the case. And then inside the box, we have a charging cable, which we can pull out. And the charging cable is USB-C to USB-C. And then inside here we've got some earbuds, the large earbuds and the small earbuds. I think it ships with the medium earbuds. So we can peel that open. So inside it comes with the extra earbuds if you want to swap out to have the larger earbuds, or if you want to have the smaller earbuds that are in the packaging here. So I'm going to put those back here. I'm going to stick with the medium size and put the charging cable back. So let's put the box materials aside and take a look at connecting these to your Samsung Galaxy. So I'll go ahead and unlock my device. And the setup process is very simple. All you have to do is just open the earbuds. We see a green light. And just like that, it detects the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. A new device has been found, and then you just press the connect button and the work happens automatically. It loads, and just that, I've been connected. So it asks allow Galaxy wearable to access this device's location. That's okay. Allow Galaxy wearable to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Allow Galaxy wearable to send you notifications. Allow. So now it opens up Galaxy Wearable, downloads the software to the phone Galaxy Buds 2 Pro Manager, and I'm at 100% there. And now I can manage the buds right from my Samsung Galaxy. So it asks me to review, it asks if I want to send diagnostic data. That should be fine. It'll help developers fix any bugs. I agreed to get updates to the Galaxy Wearable related apps over Wi-Fi automatically, agree to automatic updates, and then we'll hit continue. And then allow Galaxy Buds 2 Pro Manager to access the calendar, the phone call logs, contacts, manage phone calls, photos, video, music, messages, and now we're all set. So just like that, we're able to set up our Galaxy Buds 2 Pro on our Samsung Galaxy device, and it installed the manager software for us. So we can see at the top here, the Galaxy Buds are 100% charged. The case is at 52%. So you can see that right there under Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. And we can scroll down and we have all of the options for the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. We can see that the options here for active noise cancellation. So when we put in the headphones in our ears, it'll enable active noise cancellation and allowing all the noise around you to be silent. And then you can also switch it over to ambient sound so you can hear things around you. It has this cool feature called voice detect right here, where when you turn that on, it will automatically disable active noise cancellation when it hears your voice and allows you to conversate with someone while your headphones are in. And then when it doesn't hear your voice for 10 seconds, it'll automatically resume active noise cancellation. We've got 360-degree audio, which offers head tracking. So when you're listening to music, you can hear the sounds all coming from all directions and all around you. The AirPods Pro also have this feature with personalized audio, and it makes it really awesome when you listen to great tracks or great movies and you hear things coming from all around you in different directions. Let's see what other features we have here. We've got the touch controls. We can see that by default, tap is enabled, so we can tap the earbuds to play or pause a track. If we want to have double tap and triple tap on, we can flip those on right here, and we just slide those on. But if we double tap, it'll play the next track, and if we triple tap, it'll play the previous track. We can touch and hold, and we'll be able to come in here and dictate what happens when we touch and hold. So it switches noise control right now by default. So it goes from active noise cancellation. If we touch and hold it, it'll switch it to ambient sound. Or we can activate Bixby, or we can say volume down, or Spotify. And you can pick which one, whether you want this to be on the left earbud or the right earbud at the bottom here. So we can stick with the default methods right now, switch noise controls, and we'll take a look at what other features we have. So call controls. We can double tap to answer a call or end a call, and that allows us to just use the earbuds to answer a phone call that comes in or dismiss a phone call and hang up. And then we also have touch and hold to decline a phone call. So those are all the touch controls that are enabled, and we can take a look and see what else we have here in our Galaxy Buds 2 Manager. Let's take a look at the earbud settings within the Galaxy app here. So they've got a ton of settings, and we're going to start with the Equalizer. I can come in here and adjust the sound. They got different profiles already set, so I can have a bass boost, my music soft or dynamic, clear, or a treble boost, and we get to see it here on the Equalizer. I love bass, so I'm going to select bass boost, but you can select whichever option that you like, whether it's normal or one of the preset options for the Equalizer. So it has that in the earbud settings at the very bottom. So you just scroll down to earbud settings and Equalizer. Let's see what other options they have. They have an Earbud Fit test. So we can start. I'll need to place these in my ear. So I'll go ahead and put the left one in my ear and get that one snug fit. And I'll take the right one and put it in my ear. And now that they're both in my ear, I can start the Earbud Fit test. So keep your earbuds in. It's playing a little sound, letting me know that it's checking. And it says that they're poor fit. Your earbuds don't have a good seal in your ears. Try adjusting the earbuds or changing the earbud tip. So maybe if I had a smaller ear or bigger ear tip, I'm gonna try pushing them in a bit further actually and see if that changes. So I've pushed them in further and I'll try again. Let's see if I get a poor fit again or if it increases to a better standing. Okay, cool. Now I've got a good fit. So I just pushed the earbuds in super tight and it sealed all the noise and it says that I have a good fit. So if they're not all the way pushed in, then you have a poor fit, but if you push them all the way in, then you've got a good fit. So that's the Earbud Fit test. You can try out all the different ear tips. It comes with small, large ear tips that you can swap out for the medium and see which ones fit best in your ear. So next up is read notifications aloud. This is really cool because when you enable this feature, if you have a message that comes in, it'll read that message out while you're walking around or while you're listening to music. It'll just act like you're its own personal assistant and say you've got a message and start reading it. It can read missed calls and then things that are on the schedule. So those are the things that are currently set up, the apps that are supported for read aloud, and you can turn read aloud while using phone, hear notifications from your phone on your earbuds even when you're using your phone. So if you're currently using your phone, you can turn that feature on and it will still read aloud the notification even though you can currently see it because you're using your phone. So that's read notifications aloud. Really cool feature. Great for checking messages while you're currently on jog or running. If someone messages you, it alerts you immediately and it reads it aloud. They also have use ambient sound during calls. And what this does is turn on the ambient feature while you're on a phone call. So that way you can hear yourself talk. And it is definitely different from most settings on most earbuds. But if you like hearing yourself talk, Samsung says this allows you to make more comfortable calls and helps you unintentionally raise your voice. You'd have to turn this on and test it out for yourself, whether you like hearing yourself talk or not. I know when I'm typically recording things in GarageBand or Logic, I don't like hearing myself talk when I'm talking into the microphone. So I don't know how I would hearing myself talk on a phone call. I think I'm going to leave this feature off for now, but it is good to know that we can have ambient sound on and hear myself talk while I'm on a phone call if that's your cup of tea. So we can see what else we have. We've got in-ear detection for calls. So what this does, the in-ear detection, it allows phone calls to play through your earbuds and it detects whether it's in your ear or not. So if you don't have your earbuds in your ear, the phone call will not play through your ear. So it detects that they're in your ear and it plays the phone call through your ear. If you turn this off and your earbuds are connected and you answer a phone call, then the call will still go through your earbuds even when they're not in your ears. So that's in-ear detection. It's smart because you don't want to answer the phone and your earbuds be across the room and then you can't hear what's happening. So I'm going to leave this feature on. Super helpful. It detects whether it's in your ear and then allows you to answer that phone call. Let's see what else we have here. Seamless earbud connection. So switch quickly to nearby devices without disconnecting your earbuds or turning on pairing mode. This is great for when you have multiple devices like a laptop or a phone or tablet and you want to switch between that, or even the watch. You can switch between this seamlessly when this feature is on, and it works perfectly. So any nearby device that's signed into your Samsung account, even if it's paired with your earbuds before, and also other devices if they paired with your earbuds previously. So in some rare cases, this may allow unknown devices to connect to your earbuds and control them. As long as you've logged into your Samsung account and you have your Samsung devices, they should seamlessly switch with this feature on. So I highly recommend keeping this one on. It helps out. You don't have to go through the whole pairing process again when you switch from the phone to the tablet or the watch or the computer. Super cool feature. Neck stretch reminders. So if you hunch over your phone or desk and your head tends to lean forward, that can cause back and neck health issues over time. The earbuds can detect that head position and notify you when you've had your head down for 10 minutes. I'm going to turn this feature on, and it's going to ask me to calibrate really quick. So let's go ahead and start the calibration process. Look forward with your head level. All right, I'm looking forward. Calibrating your earbuds. All right, it's calibrated 1 of 2. Now tilt your head down. So I'm tilting my head down, and it's going to play a chime when it's calibrated, and then it will know when my head. All right, I'm going to tilt my head back. All right, so I calibrated the earbuds. Now I can have this feature on. So neck stretch reminders, if it detects that I've got my earbuds in and I've been looking down at the screen for more than 10 minutes, it'll shoot me a reminder and be like, hey, stretch your neck because you've been staring at the screen, looking down and having your head tilted down for more than 10 minutes. So that's a really awesome health feature that I recommend that you check out. Neck stretch reminders. It's not on by default, but you can head into your bud settings to turn it on. So that's been some of the features in the earbud settings. They have a ton of features you can check out. They even have more advanced ones that are in the labs, and then some accessibility features that you can also check out. If you want to reset your earbuds, you can do that right there with the reset button. They've got some diagnostics and about earbuds information. Super cool information here within the earbud settings app. I highly recommend you dive deeply into the settings, and you can always customize them to your liking. You can also have Find My Earbuds set up. Your earbuds will start beeping when you tap start. So if you lose them, you can find out where they are using the audio playing from the earbuds when you hit start. And then it has some tips and a user manual to go over. So these are the Galaxy Buds 2. It's a great new way to listen to your music, and I highly recommend them. Let's take a look at the design here of the case. So we can open it up. It's got a light on the edge there, and then a light inside here. So green represents that it's fully charged, and when it's ambient, it means that it's charging. So we can take one out. This is the right earbud, and you can see what it looks like. It's super tiny, super comfortable. It's got the medium ear tip on right now. And to place them back in, you just snap it in like that, and it connects the pins on the edge of the case and the edge of the earbud. So this is the left earbud. So an overall neat design, snaps right in like that. The case is super small, it fits perfectly in your pocket, and overall you can check out these earbuds. They automatically connect to your Samsung devices. And don't worry, if you have an Android or you want to connect it to a computer or even a TV or an iPhone, you can do that. If we want to connect our Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro to an iPhone, we can open it up and put them in pairing mode. So all we have to do is just press them down, and you'll notice they're in pairing mode now. They're blinking. They've got the various different lights there from blue, green, ambient. And you can head over to your settings on your iPhone, go down to Bluetooth, and then scroll down, and it's searching for other devices. And then Galaxy Buds 2 Pro pop open, and you can tap it, and now it's connecting, and they've successfully connected. I can scroll up to the top here and see Galaxy Buds 2 Pro connected. I can click on the information button, see the name of the device type, and more information. So now I can open up an audio app and play music on my Galaxy Buds within the Bluetooth section. It pops up right there, Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Simple to connect with your iPhone or other computer. You just put them in pairing mode by holding down on your phone or holding down on your earbuds inside the case for a few seconds until the light starts to blink, and then it pops open in the Bluetooth searching section of your device. So super easy to connect on an iPhone, and you can also connect them on your Galaxy devices seamlessly just by opening up the case. So that's how you connect it to an iPhone. They do work on other devices, so you can connect them there. And they work best with the Galaxy devices because you get the app and you get all the different controls and settings, but they do work with others. So that's a demo there of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to comment below. Consider giving us a super thanks to help the channel. And we really appreciate you watching this video. And if you're not subscribed, be sure to press that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.